guys, welcome to the second episode of my meal preps, and today I'm gonna show you how to make one of the most amazing things ever. It's ginger and lemon shots that I actually have all the time throughout the autumn period and winter period, just to keep my immune system nice and healthy. It really helps me because it's natural, it boosts my immune system, it boosts my energy, and also I just feel, I feel really healthy eating that. And they are very sharp, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make it today. We're gonna be needing a lot of ginger, lemons. I also use my secret ingredient, which is 1 lime. We also have grapefruit and orange, just for a little bit of sweetness. And of course we're gonna need all our superfoods. I've got my turmeric powder, I've got cinnamon, and also extra ginger powder. If you don't have any of these, that's absolutely fine, you don't have to use them. However, I do suggest if you need to get just one ingredient, then do get the turmeric powder. Again, it's a superfood, it's really good for your system, and if you can have that every single day, it's much cheaper to make these yourself, have them every day, rather than buy them in stores, because they're usually diluted with water, or they diluted with cucumber or something else just to fill up the space. But today this is going to be pure ginger and lemons pretty much. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so just to make it easier for your juicer, if you have, obviously this recipe will not work if you don't have a juicer, so it's important that you have one. And just to make it easier for our juicer, I'm gonna chop the ginger into smaller pieces, okay? So the smaller you can do it, the better. They don't have to be super small, but just this kind of size. And you want to place it into a bowl just so it's nice and easy for you to juice it when we're gonna start juicing it. I like to wash my ginger and keep the skin on it because it's got obviously a lot of nutrients in there. But if you're fussy and you don't like the skin, you can just chop that off. But I think, we want to save time. I mean, the whole point of the meal preps is so you cook everything nice and quick and it doesn't take you a lot of time. So just chop everything up. Now I'm going to show you a way how to do your lemons. You do want to take the skin off the lemon because it's really bitter and horrible, and you definitely don't want that in your juice. So what you want to do, you want to go around the edges. You're going to chop off the edges. You're going to place your lemon like this on the board, and we're just going to go around. So when you cut off the skin, you sort of use your knife and then move your hand as you go down for the lemon shape. So what we're going to do, we're just going to go roughly around the edges and cut off the lemon peel. If you have any bits around here, that's absolutely fine, don't worry about it too much. All we're gonna do now, we're just gonna chop the lemon in half and it's ready to go. So I'm just gonna do that with the rest of my lemons. Now our lemon is done. We're gonna do exactly the same thing with our grapefruit and orange and lime. So with grapefruit, it's much thicker, so you just wanna do the same method, cut off the skin and then go around the edges. And you definitely want to get rid of that skin here because it's very bitter. And if you do have any sides, we are just gonna chop them off nice and easily. Actually, it just peels off as well, so very juicy. And you just want to cut that into 4 pieces. And we're going to do the same thing with our orange and lime. Okay, so all my fruits and citrus fruits are done. Now we're just going to juice everything. So really simple. I'm going to turn my juicer on. It's going to be loud. And we're going to drop everything in there. I like to wait a little bit because there's extra juice that falls down, so just wait a little bit, and when it's done, I'm just gonna show you the juice. Okay, so I'm gonna need 2 mason jars for this, or maybe 3, we'll see. I've got my juice here, so I'm gonna add everything inside once we pour the juice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open these up and pour our juice. Just pour that in. I love the color, it's very nice. So I've evenly divided this now. Now I'm just gonna add my turmeric. I use organic turmeric, it's really good for you, so I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon. Then I'm gonna add ginger. Again, half a teaspoon, because we already obviously have a lot of ginger in there. Just like that. And lastly, I really like adding cinnamon, but this is optional. Cinnamon is really good for your body as well, and it just adds that sort of homey feeling. And I add 1 large teaspoon of that inside. Just like that. Now that all our spices are added, feel free to add anything else in there, but this mixture works really well. I'm just gonna close the lid. And now if you've been working out in the gym, this is a good exercise. So you just shake it. Just a little bit juice coming up. So shake it really well, and you will see the color actually changed from white to this beautiful golden. So you want to shake it just a bit longer. And there it is, it's done. Looks like that. And you need to keep that in your fridge. It will last up to 7 days. So if you've got bigger family, these 2 will last you for a week for a big family. And especially if it's a cold season, you can actually drink probably 1 jar in a week just for 1 person. Okay, I think it's only fair if I try this shot in front of you here and show you how delicious it is. It's very strong, so every time you're about to drink it, you should shake it before use, and obviously it tastes much better when it's cold. So I just usually take a shot glass and pour that in. So this amount is quite a lot, so I do this in 2 goes as it's quite strong. Okay, cheers guys. Ooh, ooh, very strong, but it's really good. Just gonna finish this. Ooh. Wow, definitely very citrusy. Ginger kicks in afterwards, and you really taste the cinnamon as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next episode. Bye.